Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of high-profit home decor ideas, elevate modern interiors, attract loyal customers, and help you build a sustainable woodworking business that reflects your passion, talent, and values from scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Transforming scrap wood into high-profit home decor has become one of the most powerful opportunities in the modern woodworking landscape, not only because it offers low startup costs and high creative freedom, but because it aligns perfectly with the values and aesthetics consumers care about today. In a world moving rapidly towards sustainability, authenticity, and meaningful design, handcrafted decor made from reclaimed or leftover wood stands out as both environmentally responsible and visually captivating. What once was seen as waste is now viewed as a treasure raw material with history, character, and potential. And for the creative woodworker or aspiring entrepreneur, this shift opens the door to building a business that is profitable, fulfilling, and deeply connected to personal artistic expression. Scrap wood carries a natural charm that new lumber simply cannot replicate. Every piece of leftover timber comes with its own unique grain pattern, knots, textures, and tones shaped by time, weather, and use. When transformed into decor, these imperfections become the very essence of beauty. The wood tells a story of age, resilience, past purpose, and the maker adds a new chapter by shaping it into something functional and beautiful. This blend of old and new is one of the reasons scrap wood decor feels so modern yet timeless. It perfectly matches today's interior trends, where people want items that bring warmth, character, and a touch of nature into their living spaces. The contrast between organic wood tones and modern minimalist designs creates decor that looks intentional, stylish, and emotionally grounding. The potential for high profit comes from both the value of the artistry and the cost of production. Because scrap wood is often free or extremely inexpensive, picked up from construction sites, furniture shops, renovation projects, or even your own workshop, your material cost remains low. This gives makers the freedom to experiment boldly without fear of financial loss. Each successful design can be reproduced, refined, and sold for impressive margins, especially when marketed as handcrafted, sustainable decor. Customers today are willing to pay significantly more for pieces that reflect eco-friendly values and the beauty of handmade work. What you create becomes more than an object, it becomes a statement about mindful living, environmental care, and appreciation for craftsmanship. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. High-profit scrap wood decor resonates strongly with modern interiors because it balances rustic textures with contemporary forms. A simple scrap wood shelf, an abstract wall art piece, a geometric candle holder, or a reclaimed wood centerpiece can instantly elevate a home by adding personality where mass-produced items fall short. Interior designers often look for pieces with soul, texture, and uniqueness, qualities that scrap wood naturally provides. When you create decor with clean lines, thoughtful proportions, and a touch of natural charm, your work blends effortlessly with minimalist spaces, modern rustic styles, Scandinavian interiors, and bohemian designs alike. Versatility is another reason these pieces attract repeat buyers and long-term customers. And loyal customers are the lifeblood of a sustainable woodworking business. People do not simply buy decor, they buy a story, a feeling, and a connection. When they learn that your pieces are made from reclaimed materials, shaped by hand, and infused with your creative vision, they feel part of something larger than a purchase. They feel connected to a movement, the movement toward responsible crafting, meaningful design, and supporting small creators. This emotional connection is what transforms one-time buyers into devoted supporters of your work. They share your story, recommend your pieces, and come back for more because they appreciate the authenticity behind everything you create. Building a high-profit business from scrap would also allow you to express your passion in a way that feels natural and honest. Every woodworker has a personal creative voice. Some prefer clean modern cuts, others enjoy rugged rustic textures, while others lean toward artistic, sculptural forms. Scrap wood welcomes all styles. Because the material itself varies in shape, color, and grain, you're encouraged to design pieces that reflect your own imagination rather than trying to mimic mass-market decor. This creative freedom becomes your signature. Customers begin to recognize your style, whether it's a certain finish, angle, joinery style, or artistic pattern. That recognition becomes your brand identity, and your brand becomes the foundation of your business. A scrapwood-based business is sustainable in more ways than one. Not only are you saving materials from landfills and reducing waste, but you are also building a long-term income model that doesn't rely on expensive supplies or large-scale manufacturing. Your creativity becomes your resource. Your talent becomes your advantage. Your values become your marketing. As trends increasingly shift toward eco-chic decor and conscious consumption, the demand for reclaimed wood items only grows stronger. People want products that feel responsible, artistic, and personal, all qualities found in handmade scrap wood decor. Transforming scrap wood also teaches adaptability, a key skill for thriving in the modern woodworking world. Because each piece of wood is different, the making process becomes an exploration of possibilities. You learn how to see potential in unusual shapes, how to highlight natural lines, and how to transform irregularities into design features. These skills push your craftsmanship to new levels and make your work stand out in the marketplace. Over time, your pieces carry a confidence and maturity that customers recognize instantly. Perhaps the most rewarding part of this journey is the knowledge that you are building a business rooted in passion and purpose. You are not just producing decor, you are creating beauty from what others discard. You are shaping art from limitation. You are turning sustainability into profit. And every piece you make becomes a reflection of your dedication, your time, your imagination, your values, and your growth as an artist. As your business expands, so does your impact. You inspire others to see potential in forgotten materials. You contribute to a culture of mindful creativity. You prove that sustainable living can be stylish, profitable, and meaningful. And you build a brand that customers trust because it is built not only on sales, but on story, integrity, and craftsmanship. High-Profit Home Decor made from scrap wood is more than a business idea. It is a pathway to personal fulfillment and long-term success. It offers freedom, expression, sustainability, and financial growth, all from the most humble of materials. By starting today, you open the door to a future shaped by creativity, resilience, and the enduring beauty of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked high-profit home decor ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.